Hey everyone, today we're going to look at a wind direction and speed problem. This was emailed into bluewaterbasics@gmail.com, and if you have questions, you can email them there. If these videos have helped you out in any way, please like and subscribe. So your ship is proceeding on course 320 true at a speed of 25 knots. The apparent wind is from 30 degrees off the starboard bow, speed 32 knots. What is the relative direction, and speed of the true wind? So first we're going to start from the center, plot our course and speed. 320 out to 25 knots. Our 25 knots is going to be reflected as a distance in the plot using the scales on either the right or left-hand side of the plot. Step 2 is from the end of the vessel track, plot your apparent wind, direction, and speed. Our apparent wind is from 30 degrees off the starboard bow. 320 plus 30 is 350. Wind comes from. So we'll plot from 350 down to 32. We can then transfer that over to the end of the track line for a apparent wind of coming from 350 at 32 knots. Step 3 is from the center, plot true wind direction and speed. So all that is connecting the triangles. From the center, when we're looking for something in true, it's from the center. So from the center, we connect to the end of our apparent wind line, and we will get 040 at a speed of 16.2 knots. So I'll go ahead and do that on a maneuvering board. The one thing I wanted to mention is if you look at the bottom of the screen, the order of these steps may change. So what that means is for this problem, we're given our course and speed and our apparent wind, looking for true wind direction and speed. Now, if we were given course and speed and true wind direction and speed, we could find apparent wind. So depending on what two entering arguments we're given and what we're looking for, we can change the order of these steps on the left-hand side. So when we go to plot this, it will look like this. So our true course is 320 at 25 knots. We'll take it from the center down to or up to 320. And we will take it out to a distance of 25. I'm going to use the scale on the right-hand side. There's 4 scales, 1, 2 on the right, and 3, 4 on the left. 25 knots. So right there. So we have 320 at 25 knots. And I always want to label everything on these maneuvering boards to kind of keep myself on the right track. So the apparent wind is from 30 degrees off the starboard bow. That's 320 plus 30 for a wind direction, a true wind direction of 350 at 32. So I will take my triangles, I'll take them to 350, and then I will shift that over to the end of my track line as step 2 directs us to. And we'll draw that line out. So remember, step 2 is from the end of our track, plot our apparent wind direction. So we have the direction, now we want to plot the speed. Our speed is 32 knots, same scale. We have a 30 degrees on the starboard bow at 32 knots. So that is our apparent wind. Now from the center, we will plot our true wind speed and direction. And like I said previously, this is just connecting those dots. From the center through the end of that apparent wind out to the edge. So we have 2, 2, 1. And remember, wind comes from, so we want to take the reciprocal of that. 2, 2, 1 minus 180 degrees gives us a true wind direction of 041 degrees. We then measure that distance and we can find the speed. Speed, I have about 16, looks like 16.3. We can look at our answer choices. We have two answer choices with the true wind coming from 040. One of them speed is 18.6, one is 16.2. So we can go ahead and be pretty sure our answer choice is A, but to triple confirm, we will find the relative. And the relative wind is relative to our course, 3202040 is 80 degrees. So from our course, it's 80 degrees relative. That again associates with answer choice A. So that's how to do a wind direction and speed plot on a maneuvering board.